It is a glimpse of the Pentecost. Just after the Easter, the next day, the disciples were present in a room and Jesus enters there. And the first word he says to them, peace be with you. It was not an familiar or ordinary greetings. It was something very meaningful. The peace was for the proclamation. And it was the result of the fruit of the salvation that Jesus earned upon hanging on the cross. And therefore, when he says that peace be with you, he gives them the comfort. But that is something for more that to come into the life of the disciples. And he said it was an empowerment for them. And he says, now you receive the Holy Spirit. They were comforted and they were empowered. You receive the Holy Spirit because now what you are going to do is not an ordinary task on your own human strength, on your own human talent. You are not able to complete the mission of Jesus. And therefore the Lord said, receive the Holy Spirit. It is receive the Holy Spirit because this is one of the finest and most intimate way of adapting and assimilating someone in my life. We find in the book of Genesis, during the time of creation, when Lord created in 6 days everything, 5 days, and the last 6 days, sixth day, he created the Adam, lifeless Adam. And then he breathes into Adam and he becomes a living symbol. And the Lord said, this is the best creation of me. In the same way, the Lord became so intimate with Adam. In the same way, Jesus also wanted to become intimate with his disciples. And therefore he said to them, now receive the Holy Spirit, be empowered, become one with me, and now you go and continue the mission of mine.